Hi students. So today we are going to study a very fundamental concept in chemistry, which is the mole concept. It is useful in solving various problems both at the school level and in entrance examinations. So let us begin by defining the term mole. What do you mean by a mole? It can be regarded as a counting unit. It can be regarded as a counting unit, just like dozen, pair, etc. So we all know that a dozen of carrots indicate 12 carrots. Similarly, a pair of boots indicates 2 boots. Similarly, mole indicates the number of particles. So, how many number of particles does a mole indicate? A mole indicates 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles. This number is very important and it is known as the Avogadro's number. So, in simple terms, we can define a mole as the amount of a substance which contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 number of particles of that substance. So, the particles here can be atoms or molecules. So, 1 mole of atoms means 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 atoms. Similarly, 1 mole of molecules indicate 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 molecules. Now, the SI unit of mole is mole. It's another point to be noted. Now moving on. How do we define the mass of 1 mole of a substance? The mass of 1 mole of a substance can be called as molar mass. So we can define the molar mass as the mass of 1 mole of any substance. Its SI unit is gram per mole. Example: the atomic mass of carbon is 12 AMU or simply U. Now, the molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. As simple as that. So, we can derive a very significant relationship from this concept. How? So, here we have seen that the molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. So, which indicates 12 grams of carbon atoms constitute 1 mole of carbon, which further implies 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 carbon atoms. So this is a very important relationship and is useful in solving many problems. Many problems are based on these equations. So I repeat, we have seen that molar mass of carbon is 12 gram per mole. So which means that 12 gram of carbon atoms equal to 1 mole of carbon, and it contains 6.022 into 10 raised to 23 carbon atoms. Now, we already So how we calculate the molar mass of atoms. Now we see how to calculate the molar mass of a molecule. I take the example of H2O or water. Here we can see that this molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atom. So we know that the atomic mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 AMU. Similarly, the atomic mass of oxygen atom is 16 AMU. So when we convert into molar mass, the molar mass of one hydrogen atom is 1 gram per mole. Similarly, the molar mass of one oxygen atom is 16 gram per mole. Okay. Now to calculate the molar mass of this whole molecule, what we have to do is we have to add both of this. Since this molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms, we have to write molar mass of H2O equals 2 into 1 gram per mole. Since this molecule contains 2 hydrogen atoms plus the molar mass of 1 oxygen atom, since this molecule contains only 1 oxygen atom, which gives 2 plus 16 equal to 18 gram per mole, which is the molar mass of H2O. So I hope you enjoyed my class. Follow for more.